I pray for everyone listening to me today. As you step into this Tuesday, may the mercy of God go before you and make every crooked path straight. May your mind be filled with peace, your heart be strengthened, and your spirit refreshed for the journey ahead. I pray that God gives you wisdom in every decision and leads you away from anything not meant for you. You will not waste your energy chasing the wrong things. Every confusion in your life will be replaced with clarity, and every delay will turn into divine progress. Today, your hard work will not be in vain. May favor locate you in unexpected places. May opportunities find you, even in rooms where your name has never been mentioned before. God is opening the right doors for you and removing every hidden struggle working against your peace. You will not be overwhelmed. You will not be discouraged. You will not feel forgotten. As you go out today, know I am with you. Walk with confidence, knowing that God is guiding your steps and surrounding you with protection. May your efforts bring results, your prayers bring answers, and your heart receive good news before this day ends. Whatever has been worrying you, may heaven step into that situation with peace and restoration. This Tuesday will not work against you, it will work in your favor. Type in the comment, "My Tuesday shall be blessed." May today bring peace, favor, and answered prayers. Share this prayer with someone you love. May today bring peace, favor, and answered prayers.